second way, I would have to open the doors. If I was in the back, I would have to climb through here, hit the key, turn the key on, and hit the switch to make the doors open. It'd be the second way. The key on the side of the door would be the first. Let's go out in the wind. Other way. The other way would be to open this door. It's windy. Third way is I'd have to come in here, sit down, put in my key, reach up and hit the button to get the doors to open. Got a mess of wiring right here over my door. I'm working on it. It goes all the way back through here, comes down. Got a ground right here, and I've got my hot I've got to put on here yet. And in a minute, get that hot hooked up, and we'll see. All those wires you saw. So I don't have to climb up into the cab, put the key in the ignition, turn it, reach up, and hit the button. Now I can just hit this button wherever I am. Yay!